Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a day in the life. Me and Alan's going to take you with us to the water park. But before I get started with that part of the video, I wanted to show you guys this cute little water fountain that my girls got from Amazon.
Come on, got you a prize. Come on. Come on, girl, they got you a prize. Yes. What did you get? Look. Look at this. Look what you got! Look, girls! Must be the filters, I'm assuming. Plug. Look what you got! Oh my god! So we're gonna put it all together and let the girls try it out. By the way, this little box was so cute. It's got a little kitten on it. Ooh. So cute. So this has activated carbon filter that removes bad tastes and odors and catches hair and debris. A premium pump, powerful and reliable. Is whisper quiet, low voltage. Helps prevent urinary and kidney diseases in pets through increased hydration. Oh, helps with added oxygen and freshness. Okay, so we're gonna put this together and we're gonna try it out and see what the cats think of it. Alright, so we got the filter in. Uh-oh, we got the water in. It's a dream come true for Cookie. That's all she ever wanted. Go try it, Kiki. Yes, drink the water. Cookie, do you love it? They love it.
So unfortunately, I had to mute a lot of these video clips at the water park because they have a loudspeaker going all throughout the park and they are playing music really loud, and I didn't want to get flagged for copyright, so most of these clips at the water park are muted. But I hope y'all enjoy this video anyway. I didn't get to film us going down any of the slides because I don't have a waterproof pouch that I can use to do that, but hopefully I will get one soon because we're going to be going back to the water park and I think it would be pretty fun to film us going down the slides.
Now we're going over to Wendy's, right next to the water park. We walked out the water park to go to Wendy's and get a Frosty. Frosty and fries and 4 for $4.
Oh yeah?
No one pays full price for water park food. You got a Wendy's right next door. You spend $4 and get a full meal and then a Frosty.
So I got a question for y'all. Do you like to dip your fries in the Frosty? Let me know in the comment section down below. So this is actually one of the newest rides they have at this water park. We had never rode it before until this day, and it was seriously so fun, but it was scary too because it literally felt like you were going to fall off the edge, but it was really fun. And this is Alan dropping out of this slide. I thought it looked pretty funny, so I put it in here. So I wanted to share this with y'all because I thought it was pretty neat. I was standing at the top of the stairs getting ready to go on a ride, and I looked around and realized you could see the entire water park and most of the surrounding areas, and I thought it looked really pretty, so I recorded it to share with y'all. We just got home from the water park. I'm plugging the girls' water fountain up. We're gonna let them out.
China bear.
Walk right past it.
Right past us.
Hi, girls! Okay, so I just got out of the shower. Oh my God, I was freezing when I got home from the water park into the apartment. It was so cold, so I had to take a nice hot shower because I was literally just freezing. Anyway, so I am defrosting the hamburger meat. I'm gonna be making chili tonight, which I'm really excited about because I haven't made chili in years. Chili is actually one of my favoriteest things to cook and eat, but I never make it because Alan doesn't like chili because he doesn't like beans. So I'm going to make it tonight without beans. I don't know how it's gonna turn out because I've never made it without beans, but we'll see. It better be good. So yeah, that's what I'm making for dinner. I just put some pajamas on. I got like Alan's big t-shirt on, some pajama pants, and I'm just gonna relax because I feel like really pooped out from the water park. And my girls are so pretty and I love you. I love you. Now I need to do a quick cleanup because I've got a ratchet mess going on in this kitchen. Don't really feel like cleaning because I really cannot stand cleaning after I've like showered or have clothes on. I hate that. But I do want to clean up a little bit before I cook, so I'm just gonna pick some things up, wipe the counter off, put some things away, just so I feel like it's a little more tidy in here. I also need to load the dishwasher, things like that. So yeah. Throw this banana peel away that's been sitting on the counter since this morning. Ooh, girl, I'm ratchet. So before I start my chili, I'm going to start the rice, and I'm going to be cooking the rice in my rice cooker. I like my chili with saltine crackers and or Fritos, you know, like a Frito pie. But Alan requested some rice, so I'm going to go ahead and make the rice for him, and I'll probably eat some of it too. Okay, so I just got the rice ready in my rice cooker, and I'm turning it on, and I'm going to turn my timer on my microwave. Alan is making a lot of noise over here. He's getting his potato chips ready with Tabasco, even though he knows I'm cooking. Okay, so I'm gonna be using this McCormick chili seasoning pack. I'm also going to be using these diced tomatoes, a can of whole tomatoes. Like I said, I normally put beans in my chili, but Alan doesn't want beans, so we're gonna have to figure this out. Garlic powder, salt and pepper, onion powder, and sugar. So I need to grab my sugar. So I'm starting off by browning my ground beef, and I'm adding in all of my seasonings, the salt and pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder. I'm chopping up this little onion here. I'm gonna throw some of this onion in the pot with the meat, and I'm also going to have some to throw on top of the chili once it's done. So now that my hamburger meat is done browning, I'm going to go ahead and throw in this chili seasoning pack. So now I'm just throwing in all of my tomatoes, and with those whole tomatoes, I like to smush them down to get all of the juices out of them. And I'm really sad that I didn't get to put beans in this chili, because I think the beans make the chili like so much better. But like I said, Alan doesn't like beans, and that's okay. But now I'm adding some sugar, and I'm also just gonna keep adding more seasonings until it tastes the way I want it to. So now I'm adding in some of my Italian seasonings that I got from Raw Spice Bar. If you guys haven't tried out Raw Spice Bar yet, I'm going to put the link down in the description below so you can check this company out. They have so many seasonings. So many, and a lot of them are salt-free, which is a really good option for people who can't have a lot of salt. So yeah, check them out. I'm about to dig into this because I can't wait. No, it's probably too hot.
Too hot to eat. Too hot to handle.
Is Alan going to like my chili?
Chili Mac.
It's not chili mac, it's Frito pie.
Chili Mac, Mac, Mac.
Here's a bowl of cheese.
Hot.
Hot, right? Well, what do you think?
Big dog.
Pretty good?
Yeah.
You like the flavor or what? Tell me more.
Pretty good.
Are you lying?
No?
Would you ever let me make it with beans?
No. I don't want to. Next, you'll be trying to make butter beans and cornbread.
I would love to. I'm so glad you finally let me make chili. I'm happy.
So now I'm just cleaning up the great mess that I've made. Actually, it wasn't that big of a mess, but yeah, I'm just cleaning up the kitchen now. And then after all was said and done, I thought I was going to sit down and relax, and then I remembered that I was out of cat food, so we had to make a late night Walmart run, and I had to get my girls some of their favorite Rachael Ray cat food. Well, anyway, you've reached the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Leave me some comments down below. Give this video a thumbs up. And if you're interested in any of the products that I mentioned in today's video, just check the description box down below because I put all the links in there for you. And I'll see you next time. Bye!